a question that I have, sir, I'm not outstanding in sports. I've not done anything in sports, but I played sports in general. How much does sports play a role of extracurricular? And the most important thing is the hobby, which a lot of candidates are generally confused about. Now, everybody has 3 months prior to the SSB where they get to know कि भाई मेरा SSB आ चुका है. We get a lot of candidates who say हमारी hobby नहीं है. And we also tell them to pursue a hobby. How much a hobby plays a role? How much does the extracurricular activities play a role in writing this? Now it is true, अब 12th में कैंडिडेट है 11th 12th में वो प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, वो कहता अभी सर नहीं खेल पाया, which is a fact. So how much would that be a detriment for him for his interview?
Okay, I'll break it down in three parts. Sports, even if you have played a sport which is probably casual, ठीक है, you have not represented anything,
Right.
not even school, college or house or your society or university, I would still ask you to write it because it shows that you have some interest in that sport.
That's exactly, sir. A lot of people tend to, आपने देखा होगा बहुत लोग इंटरव्यू में सब आपने दिया होगा, they completely leave it blank.
So that is one. Second is, if you have no idea about that sport, please read about it. So that you are able to answer the questions which are related to that sport once you are writing it there.
Right.
Third is, do not try and copy from somebody sitting next to you. कई बार कई लोगों को हमने देखा है कि ये स्पोर्ट साइड वाला कुछ लिख रहा है, या क्रिकेट जनरली पीपल कीप राइटिंग, ठीक है. व्हेन आई हैव आई विल टेल यू वन फनी इंसिडेंट कि क्रिकेट किसके साथ खेला है, बोले रबड़ की बॉल के साथ या पेपर बॉल के साथ,
Right.
या डेस्क क्रिकेट खेला है. तो इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस इफ यू
Correct.
से समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Correct.
ठीक है. जस्ट बाय वॉचिंग क्रिकेट ऑन टीवी यू थिंक कि मेरे को क्रिकेट के बारे में पता है, मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा भी जाएगा तो बोल दूंगा, और
Right.
आई कैन ब्लफ, is not the correct way of going about it.
Right.
If you have played any game, then you should write, but if you have not, then it doesn't make much of a difference because you can cover it through your own activities by saying कि मैं इस टाइम पे क्रिकेट खेलने की बजाय ये एक्टिविटी कर रहा हूँ.
Correct.
ठीक है. Similarly about extracurricular activities, if you have participated, it shows your involvement in the group or probably your leadership qualities,
Right.
or your actively participation in team events.
Correct.
ठीक है. और all such things are being highlighted if you have actually participated.
Correct.
And even if you have not got any outstanding achievement, तब भी उसको लिखना is better than not writing, because हिंदी में कहावत है कुछ नहीं से कुछ भला.
भला. Correct.
ठीक है. तो we assume कि तुमने नहीं किया, but then it is not at that level because probably you were busy doing something else. So you can always explain कि मैंने ये किया, ये इस चीज के लिए मेरे को इतना ही टाइम मिला और इस टाइम में मैं अचीव नहीं कर सकता था, बट मैंने
Correct.
जितना टाइम अवेलेबल था उसमें ये किया.
Correct, sir.
So you should be able to justify.
Just it.
Coming to hobbies and interests, people generally have hobbies which are probably not followed up seriously, but कई बार उसको इंटरेस्ट और हॉबीज में कंफ्यूजन
Correct,
रहता है.
sir. बिल्कुल. यही
तो
कि लोग आधे ये नहीं बता पाते कि what's the difference between a hobby and an interest.
हाँ. तो hobbies are something which you are pursuing regularly where your physical involvement is there. Interest is something which interests you at occasion. Sometimes you are interested in watching movies, sometimes you are interested in watching some program or some event, and then probably write about it कि मैंने ये
Correct.
चीज एक बार की, दो बार की, या you can always explain because interview is a process of explaining
Correct.
things. So if you have written something, only thing you should know about it कि मैंने ये कब किया, क्यों किया और कितनी देर किया.
Right.
बस that is all what is required.